see?
There's two of them though. They're like in the bush.
Show me.
Let's go see. Dad, do you see this?
What is it?
It's like, oh, there's eggs. Look, Lily. There's a yellow one and a gold one. Wait, Dad, there's another one.
Get it, Vivian. Lily, get the egg. Get the yellow egg.
Wow. Look, there's another one. It's a gold one too.
Oh, those are cool eggs. Are those mystery eggs?
Maybe.
Is there something inside of them?
Do you hear that?
Is there something inside of it, Lily?
Something inside of it.
Yeah.
There is, huh?
You hear it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go put them away before somebody else finds them.
Come on. Hurry, Lily.
Go hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hurry, Lily.
Those are awesome eggs. Can't wait to open them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't wait to open it.
Aren't you guys excited to see what's inside our giant eggs?
Yeah, I wonder what's inside, guys.
Let's start opening them, guys.
Wow!
Look at all these Kinder eggs.
Yeah!
There's so many of them. Look at them. This is what I got. And I'm gonna start building it. This is what she got. And now I'm gonna build it. Help her build it. Oh, look. It's a ladybug. This is what she got. It's a ladybug. And then you could take the mount, put the ladybug on, and put them on. And there's like just gonna build it. I got a bunny. And it has like a magnifying thing in the back. And you can see like all these
Ooh,
little
that looks cool. I think so. I got the same as that guy. That looks different.
how.
Look. It's a spinny thing. Guys, I got the same thing like that guy.
What? Ooh, you
I got
did, but it's a
marbles.
different animal.
Yeah. That's like a marbles.
Get a boogie wipe.
Get a boogie wipe, Lily.
I got the same
Ew.
thing like that guy, but it's a different animal.
Let's see your paper.
Nice.
This is what Vivi got. Looks like she got a little bunny, kind of like mine. Let's see. Where's your sticker thing?
My sticker thing?
Yeah.
It's right here.
Can I see it? I have to see how to build it. See the sticker? Put it on. Open. Oh, you got it, Lily?
Need help? Yeah.
You can help her, Vivi, while I do this one.
If you need help with your toy, tell me. Smash your toy. Smash your chocolate. Can you help her with that?
This is what Vivi got. Same thing like me in the back. It's like a spinny thing and it has a magnifying glass. Here you go, Lily. Nope. Uh-oh. Looks like we got triplets.
What happened? You got the same thing?
I got the same thing. I also got this. I also got a ladybug.
Ooh, a duplicate. Yeah, look. A duplicate. Look.
Duplicate, you mean
Yeah, a
double.
bunny fish. Double, double, double. You got two doubles. You got another double.
She got another bunny.
Yep.
We all got ladybugs.
Okay. Here.
I think I got a bee. What is this, series? Yeah. Cool. We're gonna put
Oh! I know that.
I
know
think
she
it's an owl. This is what she got.
You go put this.
Guys, looks like I did get a bee. But what it does is its wings move. They like have two designs on each one. Same thing like Lily.
What do you get?
I got, it's like the same thing as hers.
It's a bird. Can you help me, Bye?
Look, the same thing. It's an owl and then you look at it.
Can you help me, Bye?
Yeah, I hope you really know. what I got. It has stuff on it too.
This is what Lily got, guys. The same thing. Lily gives me. Time for the next one.
This is what I got, guys. Same thing?
Yeah, like the other one. Fill it in.
I think Lily got like a lamb or something.
It looks like a puppy.
What'd you get? You want to show them? Let's show. This is what she got.
I got four. And like a puppy or something. But it has like puppy features. And then you got chicken.
What, Lily got a puppy?
Yeah.
Puppy.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, she did.
The puppy
Hey, Lily.
features.
Who let the dogs out?
Oh, wow, wow. She also got some chicken.
Here you go, Lily.
Chicken.
I'll help you,
The
Lily.
same thing. Fine. Time for the next one. This is what I got.
What'd you get?
So this is
Oh, that you're showing them. Oh, this looks so cool.
This is how you do it like that. You put them in the chat. You put them in the middle.
So she got a puppy. Then you spin the paws, and then there's a magnifying glass right here. And then it shows like little pictures as you spin the paws. This is what Vivi got. It's also a puppy, but it's like a blue puppy. And it does the same thing. It has the magnifying glass. And as you spin the paws, it shows little pictures.
Better right here. Time for the next one. Those are yours, I think. I saw her have two.
You stole mine.
Did she steal yours?
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I did.
Oh, okay.
Ah!
Close your eyes. I have another surprise for you. Put your hands out. Put your hands out, Lily. Keep your eyes closed. Here, Lily. It's another Kinder Egg.
What?
Really? No wonder why it's so cold. My orange.
A lot of spoons.
Let's open
I got a new one!
a new one.
Yeah! Look at this one. Wait, I got the same
Oh, I
thing
got
as
the
you.
same thing as Lily.
What do you get?
I got the same puppy. I got this one.
I think a bunny.
See,
Put your boogie away.
same thing.
Like Lily.
Here you go, baby.
Lily. See this? What happens when you get too late?
Hey, guys.
The heck? We're friends.
Yeah. Look at it. Time for the next one.
Two, three.
Dad!
What's up?
Can we eat chocolate now?
Are you guys finished? Or are you guys almost done?
Almost done.
I got the same thing. Help me. This is what I got.
Okay, Lily. You got the same thing?
This is what I got.
Get closer.
Oops.
Show me.
You flip it. Time to open the next one. I have 3 left.
Wow.
Lord.
I get these puppies. Another one of this. But I don't get blue. How sad.
This is what I got, guys. A bunny. Rabbit, rabbit.
It's crazy. It's crazy how
I think
you got two.
one
Vivi
side.
got 2 blues.
I think
But
you
me and
know.
Lily
I
got these.
think-
you liked today's video, don't forget to check out our Fluffy Slime video and our Kinder Egg video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next